Hey everyone, welcome back. This week I brought my nephew Tyler along.
Hello.
And we're going to be building this. Let's get to it. So guys, just wanted to introduce you to my nephew. This is Tyler.
Hello.
He's 12 years old, still in school, loves Lego as much as I do. What Lego is your favourite?
Personally, I like Star Wars, but my favourite is probably Ninjago from all the customisations.
I need to get some Ninjago sets. I think next time we'll definitely move on to some Ninjago.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. So let's set this challenge up and let's see who can build Lego quicker. So with the massive release of all the Star Wars sets this week, I decided to go out and buy the Mandalorian Starfighter. And me and Tyler had a great idea to see who could build it quicker, an adult or a child.
Bet it's gonna be me.
No, it's definitely going to be me.
Nah, it's gonna be me.
This set contains a total of 544 pieces.
So 4 bags shouldn't take us too long.
Let's get started.
This set comes with 3 minifigures, Gar Saxon, Bo-Katan, and a Mandalorian loyalist, and of course the Starfighter itself. The model number is 75316, and if you want to buy your own, I've put a link in the description below.
Well guys, that's another set complete. Even though I won, I think Tyler still really enjoyed himself. If you liked the video today, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and please let us know in the comments below what you think we should build next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon as well to stay up to date with all the latest videos coming soon. Thanks again for watching, and we'll all see you in the next one.